Are you looking for the best TKL keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best TKL keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MCHOSE Mix87 Keyboard. The MCHOSE Mix87 is an advanced 80% TKL wired mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and professionals seeking ultrafast responsiveness and customization. Equipped with Hall-effect magnetic switches, it offers an adjustable actuation range from 0.01 mm to 3.4 mm, providing precise control over keystrokes. The keyboard features an impressive 8000 Hz polling rate and a 256K scan rate, ensuring near-instantaneous response times with a latency as low as 0.08 milliseconds, ideal for competitive gaming environments. Beyond performance, the Mix87 boasts a premium build with a 5-layer dampening structure, including silicone and cotton pads, which contribute to a quieter and more comfortable typing experience. Its RGB lighting supports 16 million colors, offering customizable effects through the MCHOSE software. The keyboard also includes a volume knob and dedicated function keys for quick access to various controls. With its hot swappable design, users can easily replace switches without soldering, allowing for further customization. The Mix87 is compatible with both Windows and macOS systems, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Number 2. AULA F87 Gasket Keyboard. The AULA F87 Pro is a 75% Tenkeyless (TKL) mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and typists seeking a compact yet feature-rich device. Its gasket-mounted structure, combined with 5 layers of sound-dampening materials, delivers a soft and thoughtful typing experience, reminiscent of higher-end custom builds. The keyboard is equipped with hot swappable switches, allowing users to customize their typing feel without soldering. Featuring RGB backlighting with 16.8 million colors and multiple lighting effects, the AULA F87 Pro enhances the gaming ambience. It supports multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections, ensuring versatility across different devices. The keyboard is powered by a 4000 mAh battery, providing extended usage without frequent recharging. Number 3. MCHOSE ACE Gaming Keyboard. The MCHOSE ACE68 is a high-performance 65% mechanical gaming keyboard designed for competitive gamers and enthusiasts seeking precision and customization. Equipped with Hall-effect magnetic switches, it boasts an ultra-low latency of up to 0.08 milliseconds and a polling rate of 8000 Hz, ensuring rapid and accurate keystrokes. The keyboard features a 0.001 mm real-time (RT) accuracy across the entire key travel, providing consistent and responsive input. Customization is at the forefront with the ACE68, offering adjustable actuation ranging from 0.005 mm to 3.4 mm and support for dynamic keystroke modes such as SOCD, RS, DKS, MT, and TKL. Users can also program key macros to tailor the keyboard to their specific needs. The keyboard's MCHOSE software allows for deep customization, including music rhythm effects and custom GIF lighting profiles. Designed with esports in mind, the ACE68 features a custom high-frequency esports-grade chip and a 128K scan rate, ensuring stable and precise performance. Its hot swappable design allows users to easily replace switches without soldering, accommodating various switch preferences. The keyboard's build includes a 5-layer hi-fi cushioning structure, combining an aluminum alloy mounting plate with silicone dampening pads to deliver a satisfying typing experience. Number 4. Epicmaker P87 Mechanical Keyboard. The Epicmaker P87 is a premium 87% Tenkeyless (TKL) mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts and gamers seeking a blend of performance, aesthetics, and customization. Crafted with a CNC machined aluminum frame, the P87 offers a solid and durable build, contributing to a satisfying typing experience. Its gasket-mounted design, combined with 5 layers of sound-dampening materials, delivers a rich, thoughtful acoustics profile. Equipped with tri-mode connectivity, the P87 supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections, ensuring versatility across various devices. The keyboard features per-key south-facing RGB LEDs, allowing for vibrant and customizable lighting effects. Additionally, it includes a CNC metal knob for volume control and other programmable functions, enhancing user convenience. The P87 is compatible with QMK via firmware, enabling advanced key remapping and macro programming. Users can tailor the keyboard's layout and functionality to suit their preferences, making it a versatile choice for both gaming and productivity tasks. Number 5. MCHOSE Jet 75 Keyboard. The MCHOSE Jet 75 is a high-performance 75% layout gaming keyboard designed for competitive gamers and enthusiasts seeking ultra-low latency and customizable features. It features Hall-effect magnetic switches, available in TKL or Starburst variants, with an adjustable actuation range from 0.1 mm to 3.4 mm, allowing users to personalize keystroke sensitivity. The keyboard offers an impressive 8000 Hz polling rate and an ultra-low 0.1 milliseconds latency, ensuring near-instantaneous response times, along with a 128K scan rate for enhanced responsiveness. Connectivity is handled via a stable USB Type-C wired connection, and the keyboard supports hot-swappable switches, RGB backlighting, and fully programmable keys through MCHOSE's Web HUB and HUB driver software. Its 75% compact layout balances functionality and space saving, with a gasket-mounted aluminum alloy structure, sound-absorbing pads, and silicone bottom pads for improved acoustics. The PBT keycaps feature north-facing RGB LEDs, while the keyboard comes with a USB Type-C cable, keycap and switch pullers, 2 spare switches, a dust cover, and a user guide. Weighing approximately 1,030 g and measuring 322 by 136.9 by 40.7 mm, the MCHOSE Jet 75 combines robust build quality, premium features, and an affordable price point of around $59, making it a compelling option for gamers seeking performance and customization in a compact package.